Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing a chapter in this book 50 Microsoft Startup Ideas from Tobias Weissman. Okay, I just opened the book here. Chapter will be AI powered customer chatbot. Okay. So first I explained you what is this and how we can get advantages and who can get benefit from this kind of chatbots. Okay, so let's read a little bit. AI powered chatbots support chatbot will serve as a subscription-based Microsoft solution for small to medium businesses. It will enable businesses to provide 24 by 7 multilingual intelligent customer support through their websites, mobile apps, messaging platform like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Slack, including Telegram. Okay, the chatbot leverages advanced AI and natural language processing to understand and respond to customer queries, integrates seamlessly with existing CRMs, and offer actionable insights through analytics. Here are some key features mentioned: context-aware response using NLP or OpenAI GPT. Okay, predefined frequently asked question and answers, multilingual support with translation API, CRM ticketing, analytics dashboard, AI training, security. This is a very important concern in European region, especially. Okay, here we will have like front end application, and then there's some front end feature. Then we can develop back end application using this. Okay, but before that, we discuss something about the architecture, how architecture would look like. So let's go with the architecture. I already draw some part. Okay, suppose we have got a WhatsApp, okay, or maybe Slack. So we query a question, like any question related to the business, and that request will go to the API gateway. From API gateway, it will be forwarded to the conversation engine, and that query will be converted into some vectors, and then vectors will be matched, and appropriate response will be generated, and through WhatsApp we'll get the answer. Okay, and if suppose it is this will be multimodal conversation. So suppose somebody sent some document about some company, and the document will be uh, read from here. Okay, and then some processing will be done here, and then user will get the answer. Okay, so that answering will be done with the help of some Zentex will be integrated. Zentex is also kind of a chat engine. Okay, so that will be integrated into the system, and then WhatsApp user or Slack user will get the answer. Okay, so this is basic overview, and here we will be using front end. If we want to develop everything from scratch, then we could consider using React or Vue. Okay, for mobile app we could consider using Flutter or React Native, and we can consider creating some dashboard like manage workflow, view analytics. Okay, with the help of AI models like DeepSeek or OpenAI, we can solve most of our NLP or some complex task quite easily. Okay, so especially semantic analysis, or especially natural language processing tasks could be easily done with the help of OpenAI or other AI models. Okay, so we just have to integrate front this admin and this front end feature with the backend. In the backend, we will be using some business logic and some AI features that can be taken care of by AI models, and then we can consider deployment some environment. Okay, so for the database, we would be using some kind of Postgres. Okay, and for object storage, we could consider using S3 bucket, or maybe some other object storage offered by other cloud platform, for example, from Google, okay, or maybe from Azure. This is a sign of Pinecone. It is a vector database. You could also replace with some other vector database if we see some advantage. Okay, here we have got some third-party integration that could also help us in integrating this application. And for payment, we could consider using Stripe or PayPal. So this will give us very good idea how we can integrate our existing system with the Stripe or PayPal. And everything's work out. If it add value to the customer, then we can certainly get revenue from this application. Okay. So as I showed you a brief overview, and probably in next lecture I could discuss this thing in detail. Okay. So yeah, this is really a good. This is very good book, especially if you want to create some prototypes or if you want to get some overview how your application could look like, and at the end you could also consider generating some revenue from especially from these books. Okay, so yeah, that's all I want to say. And I just discussed basics of a chatbot, like multilingual AI powered chatbot. Okay. And yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. And in case you like this video, then you could consider subscribing my channel. And I wish you a very nice day.